Now, latest updates coming in from the Supreme Court hearing on the matter related to stray dogs and the implementation of the Pan-India animal birth control rules. Justice Vikramnath noted that no compliance affidavits have been filed by most states and union territories. The court recorded that only Telangana, West Bengal and MCD Delhi have filed compliance affidavits, but they are not yet on record. The bench directed all states and UTs to appear before the court next Monday at 10:30 a.m. with explanations for non-compliance. And I have my colleague Sambhav Sharma joining me on this important story as well. Sambhav, what can you tell our viewers?
Well, this matter was slated as per the cause list of the Supreme Court, and we reported it yesterday, day before yesterday as well. And today, a very crucial hearing happened in the Supreme Court, and the remarks made by the top court are very important. And here, the Supreme Court has said that the incidents of dog bite continuing and India's image going down in other countries is what is said by Supreme Court in a way angry tone when only two states and one union territory has filed the response so far, and it was expected that all states and union territories will have to file the response, but the response was filed by only two states and one union territory. Then Supreme Court had issued notice to all the states and union in the last hearing when it in a way twisted its earlier judgment of August 11, and notices were issued, but only two states filed this affidavit, which includes the state of West Bengal and Telangana. Rest states, the Supreme Court has asked, especially especially the Delhi, where the Supreme Court has asked why why no response has been filed in the Supreme Court on the stray dog case, and the Chief Secretary should respond as to why no response is filed in this case. And Supreme Court has also noted that continuous incidents of dog bites are happening, and also image of India is going down, is what is noted by Supreme Court today. And Supreme Court in a way questioned, or rather grilled, the states for not filing the affidavit on time. And Supreme Court has said that even 3 months they can't file an affidavit, is what is said by the Supreme Court. And if you are unaware, this is what is said by the top court bench, that if you are unaware of this matter, you could have gone to social media and televisions, and media has also reported it widely. So even you could have at least it was expected that you would have seen the television or the social media, is what is said by Supreme Court. And the most important thing which is noted here and to be noted here is that Supreme Court has questioned that incidents of dog bite are not coming down, and need is to take actions, prompt actions, and slated this matter for further hearing on next Monday, and asked all the states and union territories to file their response, barring two which have already filed, like the state of West Bengal and Telangana.